Hello and welcome to WAEC Academy. We want to reproduce how that figure you are seeing at the right corner of the screen. That figure is an isometric, right? So for every isometric, I draw my horizontal line, let's do that, and my incline 30 degrees, right? So take it this way, take one this way, and take the other this way. Then that isometric as seen, I have my length and breadth with 70. That's the concept here, 70. So I take it this way. And this is my 70 here. Then the other part is 70. Take it this way. 74 at this point. Before I indicate my height, because for every isometric I have length, breadth, and height. This is my length and breadth. For my height now, I will take my set square this way, tangential to my t-square, and will take them upward. And the other concept here is that for the height, if I want to indicate my height after drawing the vertical lines, I can just choose any point. I can indicate my height here, or this point, or this point. Any point you wish to indicate your height, you are free to do that. So now you take it this way. My height is 70. Sorry, my height there is 45. As you can see, the arrow indicating 45 falls at this point. 45 at this point, 5 this point, 55, right? So automatically I will what? With the aid of this height, I'll produce out a box. So take it this way, right? Take it this way, right? Then close it up. Automatically I'll be having something of this nature, right? So close them up. So you see, all these lines, I don't need them. I will use my eraser to erase them, so as to see what I'm doing clearly, to avoid mistakes, please. To avoid mistakes of lines. Yes, let's stop. This is my box here. Now I observe that all these edges I have drawn are ticking, so I do that. I thicken them. Take it this way, right? Take all of them, taking all of them this way. All the outer lines are taking everything. They are all taking them, taking this part. They are all taking it, taking this part, right? Taking this part here. I close this up. Taking it very well. I'm taking this part, right? So I'll be having something of this nature. Now the second concept is that this isometric is having a circle in between this place, right? So in that case, I have to get the center of this point. But if you observe, this circle has a diameter of 50, right? So if I want to draw my circle, I'll measure a radius of 25. That's the concept. If I have a circle of diameter of 50, half of it is 25. That's the radius. I'm using 25, not using 50. Now, from this point here to somewhere is 35. From here to somewhere is 35, right? And likewise from somewhere here, somewhere here to 25. It's just simply from here to get 70. Half of 70 is 35. That's the concept. So it's just that we are just assuming half of 70 is 35. Take it this way. A faint vertical line, right? Take it this way. Another faint vertical line. Faint one. So this is my center point. From that center point, I will take my compass, right? I will measure 25 because the diameter there is 50. So half of 50 is 25. That's the concept. 25 from here to this point is 25. I take it at this point, strike an arc here, the faint one, an arc here, then an arc here, and an arc here. So I will take this part here, faint line this way, right? Take the other part here, this point here, take it, faint line this way. Our aim is just produce our a square. So this way, as you can see, it has produced a square. Now the concept here is that from this point and this point and this point and this point, which one is the longest? From this one and this is the longest. I join the longest together such that it will pass through my center line. Yes, my center point here. So next up, the concept here is to what? Join this aspect from here to this point, right? So similarly, that is all what I want. So I need this point, and I need this point, I need this point here, and I need this point. So I'll take my compass, I will take it this point here and this point, touch each other. So taking it this way, right? I'll come to another point here. So touching each other, yes, touching each other, right? This way, I'll be having this. Next up, I will come to this point here, extend it, make sure I'm touching both points. Make sure they're touching both points. Yes, I'll be having this. Right? Next up, come to this point here. Make sure they're touching both points. Coming. So having this, as you can see, coming. Having this figure. Having this figure. Right? So if you found this video helpful, kindly click on the subscription button and like. Thank you. Welcome to WAEC Academy.